Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of a, where a+a+a over a times a, this is 1. Or this a+a+a, it will be 3 times a. Over this a times a, this will be a cube is equal to right side is 1. Now applying cross multiplication, here this is 1, so this a cube times 1, this is a cube is equal to this 3a times 1, this is 3a. Or taking this 3a to left side, we will get a cube minus 3a is equal to 0. Now taking common a, we will get a times a cube divided by a, here it will remains a square, minus taking this a common, it will remain 3 is equal to 0. So from here this a is equal to 0, or a square minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can write a is equal to 0, or this a square minus 3 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, taking this negative 3 to right side, we will get a square is equal to this 3, and taking a square root to both sides, we will get the value of a is equal to plus or minus a square root of 3. Now when a is equal to 0, then left side it will be 0 plus 0 plus 0, and this 0 times 0 times 0, and this is 0 or 0. This is undefined, so which is not equal to 1. That means is not equal to right side. So a is not equal to 0. And taking this positive, so a is equal to a square root of 3. Then left side, this will be a square root of 3 plus a square root of 3 plus a square root of 3 over this square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equal to, this will be 3 times of square root of 3, and this square root of 3 and this square root over 3 is square root over 3 whole square, and this extra square root over 3, and this is 3 times square root over 3 over this square root, and this square will cancel and it will be 3, and this square root over 3, and this will cancel and it will remain 1, which is same as right side. So one solution is a is equal to a square root over 3. And when this negative, so a is equal to negative square root over 3, then left side this will be negative square root over 3 minus square root over 3 minus square root over 3 divided by negative square root over 3 times negative square root over 3 times negative square root over 3 is equal to, this will be negative of 3 times square root over 3, and this 2 is negative square root over 3 whole square, and another negative square root over 3 is equal to, this negative square root over 3 times negative square root over 3 divided by this negative will cancel by this square, because this negative 1 square is 1, and this square root and this square will cancel and it will remain 3, and this negative and this square root over 3 and divided by this it will be 1. So this is same as right side, so is equal to right side. So another solution is a is equal to negative square root over 3. So there is two solutions. A is equal to plus or minus square root over 3. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.